Hello everyone and welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review. The Ordinary Retinol 1% in Squalane. It comes in the form of a serum and is formulated with retinol, a derivative of vitamin A, which is renowned for its skin-transforming properties. Now, let's explore the key vitamins and substances present in this serum. Retinol, vitamin A. Retinol is celebrated for its ability to promote skin renewal, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and enhance skin texture. Squalane. Squalane is a lightweight, hydrating oil derived from olives. It helps to moisturize the skin and maintain its natural moisture balance. Moving on to the benefits. Fine line treatment. This serum is primarily known for its effectiveness in treating fine lines, making it a fantastic addition to your anti-aging skincare routine. Skin renewal. Retinol encourages the shedding of old, damaged skin cells, allowing new, healthier cells to emerge. This leads to improved skin texture and a more youthful appearance. Even skin tone. It can help fade dark spots and acne scars, resulting in a more even complexion. Now, let's talk about potential side effects. While retinol can work wonders, it can also cause some irritation, especially when starting. Common side effects may include dryness. Retinol can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and flakiness. Sun sensitivity. Retinol makes the skin more sensitive to the sun, so sunscreen is a must during the day. Next, let's discuss proper usage. Start with a small amount, maybe just a pea-sized drop, and gradually increase as your skin becomes accustomed to it. Age groups. It's suitable for various age groups, but those with more mature skin may benefit the most from its anti-aging properties. Timing. It's typically recommended to apply retinol in the evening as part of your nighttime skincare routine. Application. Use retinol serum in your evening skincare routine, and begin with 2 to 3 times per week. Step number 1. Start by washing your face with an exfoliating acid cleanser, then take a clean towel and pat the skin gently until dry. Step number 2. Take 3 to 4 drops of the serum onto the palm of your hand. Rub your hands together and apply it all over your face and neck, avoiding eyelids, corners of the eyes, nose, and lip lines. Do not rinse. Step number 3. Use a pea to a bean-sized amount of the moisturizer and apply it as a thin layer on your face and neck. Storage tip. Remember, after opening it, keep it in the fridge. Do not use this serum with the following products. The Ordinary Retinol 1% in Squalane is a potent serum with fantastic benefits for treating fine lines and rejuvenating the skin. Start slow, be consistent, and always wear sunscreen during the day to protect your skin. That's enough for today. See you in our next video. Until then, take care and always shine like your glamorous skin.